In this video, we're going to be looking at the fire tube boiler, also known as a smoke tube boiler. And normally in our videos, what I do, I run through things like the components, the parts, how they work, and things like that. But in this video, I thought we'll take a different approach. If we go back to our full view, we can remove parts, like the cover, for example. And if we go down, we can remove the shell. And then we can have a look at some of the parts inside the boiler. Maybe we'll go down a little bit further. We can remove some of these tubes that are kind of in the way. And we can then have combustion in the furnace, which is going to be this area here. This is actually a corrugated furnace. Let's take away the shell for a moment. So you can see it's got quite a unique shape, long and cylindrical. And this is known as the corrugated furnace. Let's actually just go inside for a moment. We can have a look. So we are inside. We've got our burner down the end. We're going to have combustion in this space here. So we're going to have a flame. It's going to be burning around here. And the exhaust gas is then going to be pushed further away from the burner. We'll spin the exhaust gas around, send it back the other way. And then when it gets to the other reversal chamber at the opposite end, we'll spin it around once again. If we come around this way, we can actually see that occurring. You can see the exhaust gas comes out of these inner second pass tubes. So those ones here. We'll spin it around, send it into the third pass tubes on the outer periphery of the boiler. Let's look at the first pass. We go from the burner along the furnace to the reversal chamber, and that is one pass. We'll then add our second smoke tubes. The exhaust gas comes along here, and that is our second pass. We'll then add our third smoke tubes, and we have our third pass, which goes left to right. And then the exhaust gas has transferred a lot of that heat to the water, which is going to turn some of the water to steam. And the steam is going to collect at the top of the shell.